In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable links to text and elements in Canva. First, let's get set up. Head over to canva.com and log in with your account. Once you're in, open an existing design you want to work on, or create a fresh one. If you're starting new, choose a size that fits your project, like a presentation slide, a social post, or a custom dimension. Give the design a moment to load so all the editing tools are ready to go. Next, decide which part of your design you want to make clickable. Canva lets you add links to text boxes, images, and shapes, so pick the one that best suits your goal. Click directly on that element to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and the toolbar across the top. If multiple items are stacked, click again until the exact one is highlighted. If your content is grouped, you can either link the entire group or double-click to select a single item inside, depending on how specific you want your link to be. Now, add the link. With the element selected, right-click and choose Link from the menu. A small box will appear where you can paste your URL. Use the full address, including the HTTPS portion, to avoid broken links. Paste it in, then press Enter or click Apply to confirm. If you don't see the right-click option, look for the small link icon in the top toolbar. It does the same thing. You can update or remove a link anytime by selecting the element again and editing that same link field. A couple of important tips to make this work smoothly. Links won't be clickable in flat image formats like PNG or JPG. To keep your links active, download your design as a PDF or share it as a website or presentation from Canva. When you export as a PDF, open the file and click to test your link. If you're presenting, you'll usually see a subtle underline or a pointer change when hovering over the linked item. Make sure the element isn't covered by another shape or frame, because the topmost layer is what receives the click. For text, a short, clear phrase works best. For images and shapes, consider adding a small icon or label so viewers know it's interactive. And that's it. Open your design, select the element, and add the link. With those simple steps, your Canva projects can guide viewers exactly where you want them to go.